Hello everyone, welcome back to CCNA Learner YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to configure a policy allow client to the internet and block known bad IP on the Palo Alto firewall. Okay, the first we need to go to the security rule policy and then to enable the customize policy on the intrazone and intrazone. For the action right here, we use to lock the session at the end when the session come into the firewall. Okay, right here I will create a policy that allow the PC client to the internet. Yes, this is the policy that I have created. So and then you can put the description on the policy to easy for you to check and troubleshoot later, right? Right here I use the allow LAN client access to the internet. This is the policy. Okay, for the source zone right here I choose the LAN zone, and the destination zone is the WAN zone. Yes, right here you can see the on the technology allow LAN zone to the WAN zone to the internet, right? And then this is the source address. So the source address right here you can specific IP address, and you can allow full on the subnet, right? Right here I use the full subnet /24. And then for this destination, and destination zone is WAN. Destination address is any, I don't specific for the outside. I mean right here I don't restrict any specific destination address. So for the session action allow and the lock session at the end. So after we create a policy, we can check and verify. And then one more thing, I need to create another policy, right? Block known bad IP. This means that if the LAN client access to known bad IP that I have defined on the security policy rule, they will block automatically. But right here you need on the Palo Alto firewall, you need to install the antivirus software first before you create a block known bad IP. This is the platform that Palo Alto have defined for you. You don't need to find out by yourself. It is done by Palo Alto research team. And then the description you can put the same, easy for you. Okay, so for the source zone I keep LAN the same, and then the source address I use full slash of /24. Right here you can use specific by endpoint, that is okay. And then for the destination, right? So the destination you need to search the known bad IP that Palo Alto research team have defined for you. Okay, right here maybe not least because you need to install the antivirus software first. Okay. So you need to go to the device dynamic update, right? So you need to install the antivirus software first. After you install, you see the known bad IP Palo Alto that Palo Alto team have defined for you, and then you can attack the known bad IP to the destination address. This means that you don't want your LAN client access to known bad IP that you don't want to allow, right? Okay, after you attack, okay, for the action setting, we select to deny, and the lock session is at the end, right? So, okay, after we complete, we click OK, and then we commit to force the firewall change the configuration. So, the next step is we need to create the source NAT policy. Okay, to create the source NAT policy, you go to policies, NAT, and add. On the NAT policy rule, you can give the name. Right here I use the NAT LAN to the internet, And then for the description, I used to allow the LAN user to the internet, right? So right here you can put any name that you want, and the description right here I use for me to easy uh, uh, troubleshoot needs later on. So the group rule by take I use none, and the NAT type is IPv4. Right here I use default. And then on the original package section, you need to select source zone is LAN, and destination zone is WAN, and destination address you can check on the topology, right? The destination address is net12, and about the service I put the any, and the source address I put the any because I don't specific. Okay, right here, source address, right? Yeah, source address. You need to put the LAN client. Sorry, right here. Okay, this is the LAN client. And then the destination option address, IU default is mean any, right? And about the translation package on the source address translation and translation type, I use the dynamic IP and port. Address name is the interface address, and interface I select is net11, the interface that connected to the internet, and destination address translation I keep default, its translation type is none, and then I click OK. So we need to the commit to force the firewall to change and post the configuration. Okay, right here you can wait some time to the commit is complete. And then next step is testing, right? After we create a policy, we need to testing and verify to make sure the policy that we have created is working well. Okay, right here I use the LAPC from the AD domain, and then I open the Chrome firewall to access the YouTube and access to the internet. Okay, right here I open the command prompt to ping to the Google first. Okay, so after we ping, you can see the LPC can access to the internet. Okay, we use browser and access YouTube or access any website that you want. Okay, right here I use the YouTube. And then please wait some time, okay? I think this is it can access, but it's a bit slow from LPC. Okay, I think this video is finished, and that's all from me. Uh, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and like my Facebook page. And see you for the next video.